if you don't have a desktop shortcut, just type it in the search, FiveM, and then right-click on it, click on Open File Location, and then again, right-click on it again, and then Open File Location. And when we are in the App Data folder here, we need to open the application data. And then a folder something like this should open, and here we have to do a few things. First of all, we can go into the crashes folder, and in the crashes folder I would suggest you to delete all of the files in here. So just select all of them with Ctrl+A and then just delete them. Then double click on data, and in here first of all open the folder cache, and also in here just delete everything that is in the cache folder. And if you've done that, back to data, and also in server cache, the same, just delete everything that is in here. And then the last thing, we can go back to the FiveM application data. I would also suggest you to delete everything that is in the folder logs. So just open the folder logs, and also here just delete everything that is in here. That's really it. We can already close this folder, and then we can just start FiveM again, and the issue should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment, and I will write it back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.